Ever wondered how a tiny speck turns into a beautiful, fully formed baby? Join us on a fascinating journey as we explore the development of a fetus in the womb. Week 1, Conception. When the sperm fertilizes the egg, a unique combination of genetic material is formed, setting the stage for a remarkable transformation. Weeks 2 to 4, Rapid cell division. The fertilized egg rapidly divides, forming a cluster of cells. It soon becomes an embryo, and the neural tube, which will later become the brain and spinal cord, begins to develop. Weeks 5 to 8, Organ formation. Major organs, such as the heart, lungs, and liver, start to take shape. The tiny heart begins to beat, and the embryo starts to look more like a human. Weeks 9 to 12, Rapid growth. The fetus grows rapidly, and its body begins to straighten. Limbs, fingers, and toes start to form, and the facial features become more distinct. Weeks 13 to 16, movement begins. The fetus develops muscles and starts moving, although the mother may not feel it yet. It can even suck its thumb. Weeks 17 to 20, sensory development. The fetus's senses start to develop. It can hear sounds from the outside world and react to light. Its skin becomes covered with a fine layer of hair called lanugo. Weeks 21 to 24, Viability. The fetus reaches a stage where, with medical assistance, it could survive outside the womb. Its lungs are maturing, and it practices breathing by inhaling and exhaling amniotic fluid. Weeks 25 to 40, final stages. The fetus continues to grow and gain weight. It moves into a head-down position, readying itself for the incredible journey of birth. And just like that, from a single cell to a miracle of life, the development of a fetus is an awe-inspiring process, showcasing the wonders of nature.